Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to pay your credit card bills on Bank of America. So the first thing that you want to do here is you actually first want to log in into your account. So you'll need your user ID and password there and just click on log in. So once you've logged in, you'll be sent to this specific UI here that says Bank of America Cash Rewards, Visa Signature, and your current balance there. So for you to actually pay your credit card bills, you want to click on the bill pay at the center bottom of your screen and just click on it. And from there, it's going to ask you to enroll that bill. So just click on enroll. And from here, if you want to read this, you could go ahead and read this specific step here, but we're just going to go ahead and click on agree. So once there, you want to actually enter a few details for this bill payment. So you need your nickname, but this is optional, the routing number, the account, the confirmation account number there, and the account type. So this is actually the information from the account where we want to actually get our payment from. And just click on next. And from here, it's going to say you verified your account and you can start making payments and just click on done. Once there, it's going to ask for the actual payment for your credit card. So it's going to need a pay from, amount, frequency, delivered by, and if you want to add a note, you could go ahead and do that. So if you could also want to set the frequency, go ahead and set that. And just click on the pay button at the lower right of your screen. And once there, you've successfully scheduled a payment, and you could just hit on the done button that you see on your screen, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.